Hello, I'm going to talking about RESTful services by step. Firstly, what is the RESTful services in Oracle Apex? A RESTful services API allows different applications to communicate with a database using HTTP method such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Okay, so how to use uh, RESTful services in our applications? So go to RESTful services. Okay, create module. Firstly, you create a table. Okay, I have already created a table. My table is in inventory type. Go to history. So I have already created two table and insert two data. Okay, so this is the first step, create two table. Second step, insert a sample data. Third step is create a RESTful module in Oracle Apache. Go to SQL workshop and you can see the RESTful services. Click to RESTful services and after that create a module. Okay. Inventory API base path name is inventory API. Create module. Create to template. Inventory template. After I create two handler. Inventory items. Now we are going to test to API. Correct format. This is the correct format. Okay. This is my HREF, HTTP Oracle ORDS inventory.temp. Okay. If you enjoy to my video, so please like to subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much.